What are their goals? What is their main focus in life? Where they're trying to get to? Where are they at now? Always be assessing and always be seeking feedback so your services can constantly be improving. My name is Saria. I'm an owner of adult day programs as well as a wife and a mom. I love helping aspiring providers build six-figure adult day programs serving adults with IDD. Today, I want to talk about 5 tips for building a profitable adult day program. If you're ready to learn how to build a profitable adult day program, this video is for you. Here are my 5 tips for building a profitable adult day program. Services, marketing, research, and hiring are the main focus of how you should build an adult day program. So number 1, you have to offer amazing services. It's all about supporting and serving the individuals that your participants that come into your program. So you always want to create an environment that promotes growth. Your individuals should always be growing and learning. So you always want to make them as self-sufficient as you possibly can. So any type of services that you offer in your program should always be promoting growth, should always be focused on person-centered, like whatever their goals are, you should be helping them to reach their goals in life. That is your main focus of building a profitable adult day program. Number 2, always be striving to improve your services. So not only should you be offering services that promote growth and making your individuals as self-sufficient as they possibly can, you should always be building on that and improving your services. Seek your participants' feedback. Find out for them what's working and not working. Find out from them what they like and don't like. It's always important that you seek the feedback of your participants, their family members, their service coordinators, the team. Always make sure that the service you're providing are beneficial for them. We can assume that this is the greatest services possible for them. So if you're teaching them how to write their name, we can assume like that is very important. Everybody should know how to write their name. But is that going to help them to reach their goals? What are their goals? What is their main focus in life? Where they're trying to get to? Where are they at now? Always be assessing and always be seeking feedback so your services can constantly be improving. Number 3, know and research your competitors. So know your other providers in your area, know what they're offering, and always try to be filling a void. So we want to make sure our participants have as much exposure and as much available access to community resources, as much available access to, whatever it is that their goals are. So we always want to make sure we should be filling that void. So for example, if a lot of programs offer socialization in your area, so the individual can come there and play bingo, the individuals can come there and kind of do karaoke, have fun, go on outings, and it's a lot of that in your area. What can you add to your program to make the services better, to fill the void of adult day program providers? Can you offer computer lessons in your program? Can you offer music lessons in your program? What can you add? What are we missing? What exposure aren't our individuals getting that they should have to make an impact in their life? So always be researching your competitors. Number 4, marketing your services. So you have these great services, you have this great program, but nobody knows about it. You have to always be marketing your services and building relationships, speaking to schools, seeing who's aging out of high school, what individuals are in high schools that have IDD and they're aging out soon. Always be building relationships, always be speaking to service coordinators and seeing what individuals they have, what are the needs of their individuals, and letting them know about the services that you can provide for their individual. And lastly, number 5, hire aligned staff and train them, educate them. So you want to make sure you hire staff that are in line with your mission. They're promoting the same type of services that your program is promoting. They're promoting growth within the individual. They're promoting the individual to be self-sufficient. They're making sure that they offer the best services, the best supports for each individual, for each participant that comes into your program. So I just want to reiterate and recap all of the 5 tips for building a profitable adult day program. So number 1, offer that amazing services. Number 2, always strive to improve those services. Number 3, know and research your competitors. Number 4, market your services. And number 5, hire aligned staff. So if you found this information helpful and know someone looking to start an adult day program, share this with them. If this resonated with you, like and subscribe. And if you want to start an adult day program, let's chat. I'll attach a link in the video description below. Let's talk about it. See you guys next time. Bye.